busy also. Got it.
Now, yeah.
Nah, yes, sir. Good
Yeah.
evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Yeah,
So
Prasan.
please, yes, my name is Prasad. So please, sir, give your brief introduction. Then I will have a great idea about you.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah. I'm Amit. I'm from Calcutta, as you know, and I'm an advocate. I'm practicing in Alipur district at Calcutta. And why I'm here? Because I'm practicing in all over the West Bengal in each and every code. And nowadays I'm intend to extend my practice field in another states. That's why I'm here, because all our colleagues and all our judges, they usually talk each other with only in Bengali language, and nobody's intent to enhance their English as well. That's why I'm here. Nowadays, I have some matters in other states like Bangalore and like Tamil Nadu. That's why all the peoples in the district judge, all the states, they only use the local language. And if I am there, I have the only option only to
Only.
state my only English. Otherwise, I have no options, because in our district courts in another state also, they only use their local language. Because I have faced the same problem in Bangalore. I have been twice in Bangalore court, and in the district court, most of the people, they used to, including the judges also, they are used to use their local language. That's the main problem. That's why I'm here. Yeah.
Got it. Okay, so it's my turn according to rule. So my name is, as you know, my name is Prasant Chaudhary, and I am
Yeah.
from UP. Currently, I am pursuing my graduation. This is my third year with physics and chemistry. And I'm also thinking, I want to become a civil servant in my life. So I'm thinking about the UPSC also. If you talk about my hobbies, so I like to watch movies and play cricket. Whenever I get the times, I love to read. It's all about me. So today we will, because first of all, nice to meet you because you are a advocate, and definitely in after a couple of minutes, I will get a good knowledge from you.
Yeah.
Our constitutions, like how to work and what is the main feature of our constitution, and we should learn from our constitution and this kind of thing. If you want to share anything good feature about our constitutions of India, then you can share, sir.
Uh, mm,
Like so
Constitution
many.
is a vast thing. Constitution is a vast thing. In our 20 or 15 minutes, we'll not discuss something like
I know,
that.
like, yeah, I know, like, we are living in a secularism country, so because we have this kind of constitutions, if we talk about our constitution, so our constitution provided so many things, freedoms, and if you talk about the article like unacceptabilities of relativity, and also so many things is there. You are saying absolutely right, because our constitution is a vast constitution. We cannot talk
Yeah.
about our constitution in within 30 minutes. No, like, but we can talk about some features, like, which is the most important we should know about our constitutions, like according to, because so many features, every person has a own perspective our constitutions.
Yeah.
Like, I like, because I like our constitution because it's very flexible, we can change, and if we want to make any new rules, then we can change according to 368,
Yeah.
article
But
368 we
but
can.
but but I can explain one thing is there. In spite of our constitution and the another laws are over there, nowadays what is going on in your states and in our states, you can find the each and everything like a crystal clear. In spite of all, having all the rules and regulations over there, all the constitutions over there, all the criminal laws over there, all the civil laws over there, in
Right.
spite of having this field, I am feeling uncomfortable. Nowadays, what is going in our state? Yeah, you have a look in
UP.
those papers, and yeah. So UP and the same thing in our West Bengal. What is going on? Have you know? Have you had the knowledge?
Yes,
What is going on in the West Bengal after submitting the charge sheet? How the CBI can arrest those persons? You know, because whenever the charge sheet has been submitted by the investigation authority, it's crystal clear that there is nothing less amount of investigations part of the CBI or the investigation authority. That's why they are submitting their charge sheet before the learned court. And after taking cognizance, how they can arrested those people who are the charge sheeted person, and they have prayed. They are praying to the before the court for the police custody.
yes, right.
Yeah, because when I have submitted my charge sheet to the judicial department or the court before the court, it's crystal clear that I have no opportunity after submitting my charge sheet to interrogate the
Person.
accused person. But at the same time, they are praying before the High Court or lower court. We want some police custody for those persons who have been whose name was in the charge sheet.
Oh, like yours.
How it's going? We don't know. And after getting bail from the lower court, on the same time, the CBI personnel sent a mail to the High Court department, and on the same order, the High Court state the order of bail, cancel the not cancelled, state the bail, and the
Absolutely right.
same time, yeah, and the same time when they push back from the court, High Court asked them how it is possible the person whose name in the charge sheet, they are influential and they can influence the what I say witnesses after getting bail. And then the CBI go to the higher court in our Supreme Court, and Supreme Court asked them, if your matter in fifth judge benches in the Calcutta High Court, how we can involve in this matter, what is going on in the High Court in fifth judges benches? And
Yes, exactly.
they asked at once to the advocate who is appeared on behalf of the CBI.
Mhm.
You want to get back your matter, or we will pass our judgment. And
Yes.
what is going on at that very moment, the CBI judges, CBI advocate told them that, please give me a 10 to 15 minutes time. I will give you the
Sure, sure.
feedback. Yeah,
Sure, sure.
and the CBI person will done the same. That's why I'm telling what is going on. In spite of all, why I'm telling the all circumstances, we are each and every statement, each and everywhere, each and every affidavit when we have submitted, we are telling that we are law-abiding citizen. We are law-abiding citizen. Nobody under the law. Law nowadays in their own hand, like that.
No one following the rules.
No one following the rules. I must say, no one following the rules. I'm telling you one thing. I usually practice in the criminal sector.
Okay.
Whenever a person go to the police or local PS for lodging any complaint,
Mhm.
There is so many complaints are fake and there is so many complaints are real, in fact. But when the person went to the local police station for lodging any complaint, at the same moment, the officer who is in on the table of duty officer, it will be astonished after hearing that. At the same time, she will usually get a telephone from the another corner. Don't take it. Don't take the complaint. How the law is yeah.
How can we say like our government is following the rules and which is required there? They are not following the rules. Okay, but it happens sometimes because like we cannot go against our government also, because
Exactly.
we have no this kind of authority, so we can go against our government, isn't it?
Yeah, but I can hear from you what is the COVID situation in your area, because I have seen, we all are seen, we all have seen in the papers and the news channels, whatever they have
In my area, like
telecasted.
I'm
Yeah,
I'm living in Aligarh city.
yeah,
ALI,
that's
Aligarh city.
yeah.
So like if you talk about my area cities, so like first of all we can say like COVID. We are facing still lockdown here in UP. We cannot go outside, and if we will go outside, definitely it's a precious things. It's a condemnable things, because we have only one ways to defeat COVID. Only if we will stay our home, definitely we will defeat COVID easily, because like
Okay,
I know like COVID nowadays is controlling, and cases not going on like over goes to like in a before days. If you look at of the result of before days, that time is very bad, but nowadays it's a controlling in we are facing this kind of problems, but definitely I think in next 1 month we will defeat this COVID situation, but still we are facing lockdown here. This kind of
and
situation we are.
what about the situation of the vaccination in your area, in your family
Vaccination,
members? Yeah.
yeah. And no one take yet any vaccination in my family, but definitely in within 3 months and within 2 months we are going to take
Your
vaccine.
parents and your grandparents?
No, no, they will not. They didn't
Why?
take any vaccine because of like vaccinations going on the circle wise areas. Like we cannot go today. If we will go, we have restricted in we have a date. We will go against like according to date.
You have put your
Okay,
name in the yeah in the
hence
website.
sorry.
You have put your names in the website, and according to that, you will get vaccinated.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Because like it's a going on like today. If okay, now we are staying here. If you say please, Prashant, you should go for vaccination because it's essential. So you should. If I go for vaccination, first of all, I will have to register there, my names, my age, my Aadhaar card number, this kind of things. After that, they will give me some date. You come, you should come this date. Then you will get vaccine. This thing.
Okay.
Got
Fantastic.
it?
Prashant, tell me one thing. Why you have joined is such kind of video conferencing or like that? Regarding what aspect? What type of problem do you have? Do you feeling that I'm not, I'm the lack of this one, for that purpose I am conversing with others to the video conferencing session.
Okay, yeah, why not? I will let you know. Daily basis, I have a several groups and I have a several friends. They are able to speak in English. They talk with me
Okay,
daily basis, and my speaking
okay,
part is good. My speaking part is good. I have been speaking since 2020.
oh my God.
Yeah, and so, but like we have to try. Always, we have to try new things. And like if you talk about the Skype, I have been using. I think Skype for 3 months. 3 months. I have also here some friends. They talk with me, and
Okay,
sometimes yeah. And like if you talk about why I'm talking with you, so it's a one reason because you also want to learn English, and I also it's a necessary. If I want to get a good job in my future, definitely I should have a great knowledge about the English.
But I have seen that you have good knowledge and good speaking power also. But I have joined in this as a section or I have been in practicing my English last 1.5 months.
Great. Now you have a great idea. You are also able to you are able to express your thoughts in a good manner.
Yeah. But I must say you have a good hold over the English. You know, most of the people what they are doing, they are just intend to get rid of from themselves, from their fear. You know, first thing is there. First, you get rid of from your fear, then we can speak who is in front of me.
Yes,
But
exactly.
I must say, you have a good hold. Yeah.
Yeah, like because confidence, like communication, two things are always there. Like if you want to impress someone, then you must have a communication skill.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter if you have no any good command over any topic. If you have any good, if you have a sufficient knowledge, that's enough. But if you have a with you like has communication skill, you can convince with sufficient knowledge another person easily without taking too much thing, without taking too much stress.
Fantastic. Tell me one thing. How do you explain the communication skill? This is called communication skill. How do you explain the communication skill?
Okay, so like I have observed, I have found so many things. Like I have asked so many times with my friends, some teachers, and some teachers they give me some good idea like what is the meaning of the communication skills. So I will let you
Exactly.
know as per my opinion about it. So my opinion about like communication skills, communication it's not like mean like I'm able to speak in English. It's not a communication skill. Communication is skills also we can use in Hindi, we can use in another language, Tamil language. If you have a great idea like your native English, and if you have a great command over the word vocabulary and sentence structure, are you getting this kind of thing? If
Yeah,
you have a
I
knowledge
got it. I
with,
got it. Yeah.
if you have this kind of knowledge with your native language, we can say also you have a good command over communication skill. You have a good command. You have a good communication skill. But people are saying, because if I ask someone like why do you want to improve your communication skill, they say like because I want to learn English. English is different in communication skill.
Yeah.
Is different. Like we cannot like emerge both of the same. No. But yes, if you want to improve your communication skill in English language, we can
Yeah.
say like I want to improve my communication skill in English language because
Yeah.
I want to impress someone with my opinion. Like if you have this kind of sentence structure, if you have this kind of way of the speaking, because so many people are speaking, they can write, they can speak, but some people speak with take pauses, with take some pronunciation good, with take some good structure. Always they used to like good sentence structure, formation structure. If you will say them, then you will see them like then you will find one thing they use of the some good vocabulary also
Exactly.
at the
But
appropriate situation.
yeah. Whatever you said, I got it, got your point. But as per my thought, whatever you said earlier, communication skill is that just transfer your thought, your brain's thought to other
Another
who
person,
is in front of you in word sentences.
just
Transfer my thought from my brain to others or another who is in front of me.
with
Whatever the
convenience.
knowledge, yeah, whatever the knowledge, yeah, Hindi or Bengali or Marathi or Tamil, whatever the knowledge, your
Yeah,
thought transfer from you to another person. That's the communication skill.
that's a communication skill. If you have this
Yeah,
kind of knowledge, like you can convince to other people very easily. Like some people like say like, okay, I will like, did you talk with him? As you can say, yeah, I talked with him, but like he will not come, I think. Then we can say like, okay, I will try one times. I will convince him. Definitely he will come. This kind of thing
but
because he
but
has this
yeah,
kind.
yeah, yeah. Tell me.
then you can say like, okay, Prashant, you should try, because you have this kind of thing, like you can do this you can resolve these problems very easily. It's not a piece of cake. Then you can say, yeah, it's not a big deal, man. Definitely we can. This
Yeah,
kind of things.
yeah. It's fantastic. You explained it very well. And whoever was, oh, by the way, uh, if there is any problem, if I will post this kind of video in my YouTube channel. Do you have any problem?
So many. No problems.
Yeah,
You can
because
put
I
up this
have a
video.
channel,
Right now. Yes,
that's
yes,
why,
yes.
yeah, your
I
permission is
got I
required. Yeah.
Yeah, yes. Like I got your number from there.
Oh, yeah. We are
Morning,
neighbors. Yeah.
I was watching your video.
Yeah. But you have seen my first video and you have seen my last video. Because I know that after conversing with each other, we earn much more from the others who is in front of me. Because I have seen that without conversing each other, we couldn't get any little bit knowledge or little bit what I shall say uh, communication skill or fluency in your English communication. Not you will get without conversing each other. You know.
Yes.
And last of all, I must say, you have a good hold over all the English and your pronunciation is very good. But I have advised one thing. If you don't mind it, don't take it
No.
to your heart. Uh, you have a good hold over English. Your structure is very much good. Your pronunciation is too good. But a little bit you can slow down your speed so that who is in front of you, he or she can get you properly.
He can, and he can understand easily.
Exactly.
Yeah, like like it's like I don't know why today when I'm talking with you, I was using some speedly all the words, but I know very well, like speed is not a good, like it's not like me. If you are speak fluently without taking any pause, it's not like mean you are able to speak in English. Doesn't mean. No, it's mean you are making so many mistakes, you are making
Yeah,
so many grammatical error, and you are
yeah.
making, you are losing some pronunciation also. I know very well. Definitely I'm also working on that kind of things, and thanks for giving me this kind of advice.
And whatever I learned from my teacher, before starting anything, before going to speak anything, whenever you want to start, before starting anything, take a pause. Take a pause, take a deep breath, inhale it and exhale it, so that fraction of second you can make a structure in your brain,
Mine.
make a skeleton in your brain, whatever you want to say.
Got it.
I have
Great.
learned from my teacher, and I usually do it, and it works. It works.
I know very well.
Yeah, we about 23 minutes we have talked about each other, and
Okay.
yeah. Next day, yeah. Mm,
Why not?
and
It
very
was
good to see
it
you
was
on
nice
another
conversation
day.
with you.
Yeah. And for the joining, thank you, and bye bye for the day.
Thanks for Thanks
Yeah,
for giving me your priceless time. Bye.
yeah. Have a good day. Okay.
Bye, sir.